All right, I have an update here. As of yesterday, I was able to panelize different projects within KICAD. And KICAD's pretty cool in that I was able to, see if I can bring some of this up here. Here's the PSU. Now, the original power supply was, say, like this here, was a larger board. So what I did is I miniaturized it. How I was able to do that is I was able to do surface mount devices. They called SMD devices. Now with these SMD devices, I'm also able to panelize. Panelize means that for one PCB, I can replicate it. And what I do is basically V-cuts. And V-cuts, you're able to go in to these and you're able to snap them apart once you get them in. It's a way of keeping the cost down. Also, with JLC, I'm able to have them surface mount all the parts. So the only thing that can't be surface mounted are the cabling. So this is the power in. I've got to solder that. And then I've got to solder the output power, and the bias gets output here and feeds the boards. And this larger capacity here cannot be surface mounted. But this one here is a surface mount. Right here, this capacitor here is a new surface mount one. And the tough thing about surface mounting is you need two ground planes. You need a ground plane on top of the board. You need a ground plane on the bottom. Because they're all surface mount and they're laid on the surface, it's very easy to create little islands where you lock off the ground plane. So when you have two, top and bottom, then you run and connect them. So this right here, I wanted it to go underneath and not be too close to these. I want to provide enough of a ground backplane. So what I did is I made little visas here, and basically it tucks under the board and then comes out and connects over here. So anyways, that's kind of the update on it. It's pretty cool. I'm ordering these PSUs. The process, I keep wanting to pop a pedal out, but I keep getting better and better at what I do. And the quality of the product and the cost of the product goes down. So at the end of the day, I plan on doing surface mounting to all the boards, and I would do all of these boards and eventually probably combine them into one larger board depending, and this will get the cost down. So anyways, that's an update.